2, 1. Whoppa! Beautiful. That is a beautiful. God, this brings me back to the 1940s Plymouth Blitz. Alright, don't tell my viewers that. Jokes, they know I'm not like 80 odd years old. Shut up. Sorry, unfortunately, the process. Some random. Oh! What? I was get excited. Ah! Damn!
I'm getting chill.
Wow.
Damn, Shaniqua. No offense to anyone. You are
I might have to put this in a part 2 as well. I've got so many.
part 6, you mean?
What do you mean?
Part 6 videos?
No, I don't mean like I put some of them together, but then I'll have to do another one, you know, if you know what I mean, another sort of thingies, because there's so many videos on here. I'm going to put this in my own playlist of Firework Competition 2014. Put it in its own little playlist. Good. That one was like